Welcome to my YouTube channel of 192. My videos are about the map engineering works. So today our topic is about the E1 error code. So let's start our discussion about the E1 error code. This is our split ACLG error code E1. So a reason of error code E1. The E1 error code is an auto stop protection indicating a short or open circuit in the indoor pipe sensor. So it means maybe you got a short circuit in your sensor, or maybe it's a faulty sensor. So let's discuss more further short solution for this one. Unplug the unit first for 2 minutes for the power to discharge, then plug the unit back in. First you can do this, unplug the unit for 2 minutes and then plug back the unit. Hope your issue is resolved. Because sometimes it happens suddenly an error will be coming in the unit, so it comes. So you can do this, unplug the unit for 2 minutes and then plug back. Maybe your issue is resolved. If not resolved, that comes to the next slide, complete explanation of even error code. So we will discuss completely. So if you see CH2 or even error code in your air conditioner display panel, this indicates the short or open circuit in the indoor pipe sensor as shown in the picture. What is short circuit? You can see this, your wire is broken. After short circuit, this wire will be broke from inside, so this will not pass the power to the next cable to the sensor. So this is the issue of E1 error code. You have to fix this issue. Action required, try and plug the electric cable as I told you before for 2 minutes. When the your unit is discharged completely like this, then you plug back the unit. Sometime it's work, but if it again not work, you have to, if the error code reappears, then the corrective action you need to do is to replace the indoor cooling coil sensor as shown in the picture. This sensor is showing, I put here in the picture. So this sensor need to change. This is in the indoor coil, not in the outdoor. There are some sensors in the outdoor also, but this is the indoor coil sensor, which you need to replace this one. If you know how to change the, if you know how to do the air conditioning work. If you don't know how to do the air conditioning work, then you bring the professional, for a professional AC technician or expert AC technician to fix this problem for you. Don't do this by yourself if you don't know the electric work. For this, for your safety. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thanks you very much all my viewers.